Panning. You move something from one side to the other and you're done, right? Wrong. Or right. Right and left. Anywho, PANBOX by JDFactory is a plugin that will give you 4 ways to do panning between the left and right channels of a stereo track, bus, aux or whatever audio you are using it on. This zero latency, very little CPU consuming toolbox will give you alternatives to the plain old simple level based panning. You get more tools for movement and left-right stereo placement. That plain old panning method is actually what balance does. Just level based panning between the left and right channel.
Gotta catch it before it passes on by. Gotta catch it before it passes on by.
The stereo mode is more of a blend of one channel into the other, based on what you have set for panning. The real different panning options start with Haas. This is panning based on the Haas effect, which is when a delay on a sound is long enough that your brain will start to hear them as 2 separate sounds.
Gotta catch it before it passes on by. Gotta catch it before it passes on by. Gotta catch it before it passes on by.
I'm not a big fan of this particular effect because it can give very weird results when you listen back in mono. But here it is at your disposal.
Gotta catch it before it passes on by.
Tonal is a different thing altogether. This one uses filters that pan high frequencies before low ones. That means that there are timing and filter elements involved with this panning. To get an idea, you can somewhat look at this like a filter to either left or right channel, where there's always a bit of filtered audio on the opposite channel, which does give a subtle, more natural pan sound, not a bone dry, purely level based as the normal pan. Especially with tonal movements, tonal is very nice. Smart pan is like tonal, but it adds mid-side into the equation.
Gotta catch it before it passes on by. 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 Gotta catch it before it.
Width is stereo width control based on mid-side. This one has a mono maker as well, and you can set the frequency where below the audio is made mono. You can use these in series after each other. Let me show it with my sponsored message by DistroKid, which is in my opinion the best online distribution platform for your music. I use DistroKit for my own projects and I recommend it to clients who come to my studio without hesitation. You pay a very affordable yearly fee and you get 7% off of your first year with my link in the description. But every penny you earn is for you and you alone. DistroKit is simply the easiest and best way to get your music online. PANBOX has a built-in mid-side matrix over here and you can solo left or right channel. This plugin is a little Pandora's box, but instead of evil things you get nice panning tools. Are each of these panning tools doable in a DAW? Sure, for the most part. But having them together in one plugin so you get work done without the need of involved routing setups is a big plus. The first plugin by JDFactory is a very handy stereo widener. You'll find my review on it in the video which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe.